Hi guys, and in today's video I'll be looking at cinema 7186 for eyes and owls up on a review. So I was said with a media, setting with I wear a same suit from part 1, but so do you repeat the ad with a shower base and it was a mask of his face and I say family I'll be ready for posing. Okay. And then my favorite dot here is owl. No, owl using the same suit as I, but owl is my favorite name. So yeah, and when every day back, I want his faces. Yep, but no, then we yeah, but yep, we got that ice more. One of our new media, we got the ice hammer. Now, when we move, he used 3 pieces here, and now he is using a at the right. Now we move on to view, starting with eyes. One. I you better, but I wanna, yes, open up your eating you up. I and sit him down into it, Mary Udiane. I want some pickles. Here, so you and see. Now, if I be you be you and remove, I be able to. I want to is far. I want. Now, move on to by. I is Bill. More be a film more see. I bad to the one. You and sit him down in his bite. And I will read some real. Now some fast. Now main part of it that you and remove the back of thumb or on. Yeah, you remove the back of a thumb on your is. Yeah, on your button is. What? Yeah, is. I know you and also remove is. And if you turn it upside down, it becomes a far for out. So nice. I want for eyes. You do is. And it why I bind. I do it eyes. Yeah, I wash. Oh, with tie. But I appear it. But now mine. I'll leave you what to undo it. You have to same thing. Here I want you to move fast off of here. I want we got some I send you and in the night. Yeah. I want for you guys pop it by your ears. Here you and nothing. I one more thing that you can do that is you can remove it far and play on to owl. One, my sorry, my returning a drone. And the follow is now is I no sorry. No other is a do though for £85. So in not so so I feel like this that I do with another me fair. So yeah, I newbie when I will be saying about is that alright, bye.